just to join you in real quick. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover throughout this entire video, so I just wanted to do an introduction. Welcome to my channel. My name is IdaniseOfficialBeauty, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting on? Please go ahead and subscribe. So today I am going to be rearranging my living room slash kitchen, and I'm going to be doing a fall theme. So tag along with me and comment down in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Okay, so the first thing I'm pretty much gonna do, I'm just gonna remove everything, then kind of like wipe down a little bit and then start the decoration. But like I said, it's gonna be a voice over, so enjoy the video and I will see you in another one. So peace out. All right guys, so to get started with the decorations, as you can see right now, I am taking down the previous decorations that I had, which was like this summer spring vibe. So if you have not checked out that video, please do go check it out on my channel and let me know what you think. And also do not forget, like I said in the beginning of the video, to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, so I'm pretty much taking everything down, clearing everything out in the living room, and that allowed me to, you know, be more creative, kind of figure out where I'm going to put certain items and stuff like that, because pretty much I don't like to plan things when I'm doing home decor. I don't know why. I just like to put things, spread things out and then kind of figure out what I'm going to do next. So yeah. So then it comes to the cleaning, guys. So the first thing that I cleaned was my I don't know what to call this. It's like a drawer where I keep my plates and stuff, and then the windows, you know, anything that has dust, you want to just wipe that down because you're redecorating, putting new things and new materials. You don't want it on old dusty stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It gives the room a different vibe, you know, vibrant, you know, fresh feel. So remove the old dust. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then for this part right here, so what I did is well, I kind of reused the flowers because I didn't want to throw them in a drawer or some type of container and they get all messed up and stuff like that. So I put it to good use. So what I did is I put them back into the jar, and then I would use it to put on top of the bureau like you're seeing right now. And that's because I don't like the way the top of that area look like where the curtains is at. It doesn't look good. So I figured if I put the flowers there, it would make it look nice, even though it doesn't go with a fall theme. I mean, it's way high, so it's not really going to mess up or kind of make the fall theme look bad, if that makes sense. So let's get into it. I am using a lace tablecloth. I got it from the dollar store. So check out the video again. It's the haul video. I actually thought this was 2 lace cloth, but it's actually 1. So I just spread that on the table along with the maple leaf silver mat, and then I added the like flower plant. It's like a pumpkin flower plant thing. It's very pretty, very cute. Then I went ahead and used this a glass cup, and I added some of the pumpkin, the silver pumpkin pine cone decor in there, along with the big pumpkin decor. I mean, as you can see on the table. Then I went ahead and added the red candles because I wanted the table to look simple, you know, not a lot going on. So yeah. So to the couch, I added the red cushions, and that is to give it like, you know, a fall vibe. So the main colors that I use is red, orange, and a little bit of silver. You might see a little bit of gold. So yeah, So I had this pillowcase that I brought. I put the green and purple pillows in there, stuff it up, and that was good to go. And then I add my gray pillow cushions as usual. So yeah. So for the smaller table, guys, I just added one of my regular tablecloths that I previously had. I had this glass cup that I decorated. I used that, added some of the gold pumpkin and then the pine cones in there. Then I added this canvas that I had previously, and then also the silver pumpkin, which is so cute. And you know, not too much to that table. So moving on to the other table that you see here, I added the red cloth. The red cloth was a little too big, so I had to fold it to make it a little, you know, a little smaller, so it won't drag on the floor. So yeah. Then as usual, I put my what do you call this again? If you come from a Caribbean household, you know, you would understand where I'm coming from. To protect my tablecloth from any food, dust or whatever, I gotta cover that with the other tablecloths. Yeah, I can't figure out the name right now, but I use a empty jar, and then I use the orange pumpkin. I use a little bit of the gold pumpkin, you know, the pine cones, just kind of, you know, mix it up a bit. And yeah, and I wanted that table to look very simple. I didn't want any flowers, nothing. So I added the Happy Thanksgiving canvas right next to it, on top of it, you know, just to give it like a Thanksgiving vibe. You know, it's at the table, food, yeah. So for the windows, guys, I added like this give thanks canvas, you know, and then I had this previous flower pot, artificial flower pot. It's not actually a flower pot, but it's like a plant pot. I added that, and then also like this red container that I brought from the dollar store. I added some, what do you call it, some peanut pecans decor inside of it. So for this one also, I kept it simple. I had a clear jar, and then I added the orange leaves to it, which was really pretty. And then I also added the canvas, another canvas. Yeah, so for this one right here, I didn't want to add anything crystal, rhinestone, whatever you call it. I did not want to add any of that. I wanted to keep like a nature forest, you know, like nature, natural vibes. So I cleaned that out and then added like some of that peanut and pine cone decor or design, whatever you call it, but you see what I'm talking about. And I added to the window, and it was really nice and cute and, you know, simple, not a lot going on. So with the leaves now, I was trying to figure out what to do with them. I was going to add them to the fridge, but I was like, no, that's very corny and cheesy. I did not do that. So I just stick them exactly where you see them. Yeah, just to give it a touch, you know, a fall touch. That's it. And then I went back to the couch. I added like this tablecloth. It's like a beige brown lace tablecloth along with a gray tablecloth, just to kind of blend with the colors of the pillow cushions and stuff. And then I added the leaves. So guys, that is it for the video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. Okay.